Hello, this is Mr. Michael, and this is the new CS and AI, the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence set with Lego Education. This is the 8 Plus set with the set number 45521 with 321 pieces. You've seen the science sets. If you haven't watched the other video, this is the AI set. I've already opened our box, and this is the demo box. That's why I have a sticker here, but there is a QR code if you're interested. Set this to the side. Under the lid part here is where your booklets are held, and here is our booklet for this. I'll get this open up off camera so it will spare us some noise, but this is our box, the same as the science, and our clickers are still the same. We do have a different color in this marigold color, different from the teal, which is closer to this for the science set, so easy to identify outside of the grade pen on the side. We have in this set our color sensor and our motor hub with a lot of different sets. So I'll get all these opened up and get our bag counts set up for us. You can see the images later on. Thank you guys for joining. I'll see you guys then.